The winning design of the new Parliament building was revealed today. With that process now out of the way, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is doubling down on his plan to get the project moving. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
Out of many, one people. The name of the new Parliament building, which will look like this. The winning design was unveiled on Wednesday. It is earmarked to replace Gordon House on Duke Street.
After spending the last 40 years of my life being a member of Parliament at Gordon House, behind the desks that we also saw, there is not a single thing that has really improved to any degree.
The design was chosen from a list of entries submitted to the Urban Development Corporation, the winner walking away with $5 million. According to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the new building is necessary.
The parliamentary building will not just be an edifice. It is not there as someone's grand expression of ego. The Parliament building is a working building. It is not a waste of taxpayers' money.
So what's next?
By 2021, we should be able to start construction. That is the target line.
The Parliament building is part of a wider plan to move government offices to the Hero Circle area. But there have been concerns from residents in nearby communities like Allman Town and Kingston Gardens, who are worried they could be displaced as a result.
I don't believe in leaving these areas undeveloped. The only way to integrate the community in these areas so that the community sees the value and protect it is by developing these areas so that the community realizes that this park is contributing to their own economic development so that they can have pride in it.
Stakeholders were speaking at the awards ceremony for the design competition in Kingston on Wednesday. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.